How to find blocked contacts on WhatsApp. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up WhatsApp and then click on the three dots at the top right of the screen. Then click on settings. And here you want to click on account, then privacy. And once you're here, scroll all the way down and click on blocked contacts. And here you will be able to find all of the contacts that you have blocked in WhatsApp. So that was it for this video. That's how you can find and see your blocked contacts in WhatsApp. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, as usual, see you in the next video.